Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison County and north central Alabama, east central Morgan County and north central Alabama until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Huntsville, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Huntsville, Redstone Arsenal, Owens Crossroads, Gurley, Marshall Space Flight Center, Alabama A&M University, University of Alabama in Huntsville, Lacey Spring, Whitesburg and Hampton Cove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Madison and Morgan.